How to remove iMessage notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. On this page, scroll down to the Notification Style section and tap on the Messages app. You can manage the app notification settings from here. Tap on the Allow Notification switch at the top to turn it off. And then, go back and open up the Messages app. Open any chat from here. Then, tap on the name at the top to open their contact details page. Here, scroll down and tap on the Hide Alert switch to turn it on. Following these steps, you can easily remove iMessage notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.